Hello children, today I am going to explain message writing. Here we will learn that how to write a message. You know children, message writing is a very important device to convey the message. Nowadays it's online sources, many sources for sending the message, and just in a blink we can send message, we can receive message and get the information. Nowadays also you get the message on WhatsApp, but in the earlier time people used written message for sending any information, and people get the information through the written message. So here we will learn that how to write a message on paper. There is a particular format for writing the message. So let's see, samples are given. So message is a brief writing. We write the message in a very simple and short way, and including all the information, but in a very short form. So here the sample is given. Father, Mr. Das, the Secretary of Residence Association, wishes you to attend the meeting regarding the maintenance of the enclave at 6 p.m. today in the clubhouse. So you see children, in the 2 lines, the whole information is included. So sometime we write the top headlines, sometime we write direct. So first we write the person name to whom the message is given. The message is given for father here, so we write father. If any name is given, so we write any name. So for here we will solve the exercise number J from your book Grammar Way. So the question is, the teacher has asked you to take a message for your parents regarding a meeting to be held on Friday, 6 September 2019. It is to discuss the extra classes that will be held in view of upcoming half-yearly examinations. All parents are expected to attend the meeting. So here you have to write a message to convey the message of your teacher for a meeting. The time and date is given. So you have to write here. So first what we write? We write the topic, a meeting to the teachers. Which class it is not given. If the class is given, then we write the class. Children, one thing that is very necessary that you must know, that here the date is given Friday 6 September 2019. But you can get different name, date, year, month and places, different classes. So children, you have to write the date, time, place according to the question. It can be changed in the questions also. So in the examination, you must be careful about the date and time. You read the question carefully, then according to the question you write the message. It is not necessary that every time the same question will come in your exam. So very carefully you read the question, then you write the message accordingly. Here the answer is given. In this message I have also changed the date and time. Let's see. First we write meeting with the teachers of class 8th. I have added the class. It is not given in the question, but I have added it. Date and time I have changed. This is 7 July 2022 at 9 a.m. So this date and time you will write in your question. You will change the date and time. Venue means the place where the meeting will be held. This is because it is the teachers of class 8. They are the teachers of class 8. So though the meeting will be conducted in class 8A. So the place is class 8A classroom. Now the meeting topic. What first you have written the topic from the question. The topic of the question is meeting with the teachers of class 8th. And And here the topic of the meeting is held for the extra classes to prepare students for the half yearly exams. That is given in the question. You can see the purpose of the meeting is discussing about the extra class. Then you write the message. What is the message? All parents of students of class 8th to attend the meeting. So in this way you can write the message, children. Second message we will discuss in the second video. Thank you so much.